buenos dias. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Jola. My name is Jola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be on my first trip to Yunque and I'll be recording my experience and showing you guys where I end up. This is the outfit of the day. This is my one-piece bathing suit with some shorts. It is currently 7:30 in the morning. The ride pulls off at 7:45. Tune back in when I'm at El Yunque.
This one is like, I just need to be reconnected. I tried down and put my head in and popped right back out. Oh, I put it in. There you go. Didn't snap.
So we're here. Putting on. So you guys, I have just reached El Yunque. I just put on the outfit. I hopped out the car. They gave us a life vest and a helmet. And we're gonna head on the trail. I'll show you guys everything that I see.
The only mammals that we have naturally occurring on the island are bats. We have 7 different types of fruit bats that are native here. Otherwise, everything else large was brought here, loved it, and sold it. All the cattle, all the chickens. You'll see tons of chickens and guinea fowl and turkeys up here. None of that is from here. Even the iguanas that you see so often around here, not from here. We do have some small animals like...
One thing I will say, it is very muddy, it is very slippery, and let's go.
Alright guys, we're going to get ahead of you. Remember guys, we got to stick together today. This is a bromeliad called the red florist.
Venga para acá.
Venga para acá.
You are creepy. I just came down this beautiful slide. We're gonna watch other people come down. Having a blast. I've done some hiking. I went down the water slide. I drank natural water from a water spring. I've seen so many beautiful plants. And I'm gonna end up going off the swing. I will have somebody record that for you guys. Wow.
I'm gonna make sure Brian.
The amount of times that I've fallen on this hike is ridiculous. I've fallen at least like 4 or 5 times on my booty. Like,
And we're rolling.
25 feet high. God, it's higher than I thought it was.
You got this. Step out to the very edge.
Get on the very edge
Yeah.
and then out.
So out a little bit further to that tip right there. There you go. Now, I want you to jump towards that log.
Towards the log.
Hold on one moment. Let me get to a good spot. All right.
All right. Smart. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Oh, before I'm selected because I can't hold on.